my god, bro. The airplane one was ridiculous.
Take off your blindfolds. I just trapped this ex-boyfriend and his ex-girlfriend in the middle of the wilderness. If they spend the next 30 days here, I will give them $250,000.
Lock the fuck in, bro.
I hate you.
Grant and Ashley were in a relationship until he cheated on her on national television.
Oh. Oh, wow. That is... Oh, wow.
You are my least favorite person.
That...
I've been the best.
Welcome to the camp.
Oh no. Oh no, I know him.
I told a little bit of a lie. It's not just you and your ex-girlfriend. It's
Oh.
you and your 5 ex-girlfriends.
Oh. Never mind. This video I see watch 30 minutes long. Oh. That is
Well, let's go meet the exes.
Hi. Nice to meet you guys.
It's awkward.
Whoever's left at the end of 30 days, we'll split that $250,000.
We should probably start collecting some wood. Nice to see you guys.
All right, have fun getting the firewood.
Now that I'm out here,
Yikes.
just pretend I'm out here alone.
Does anyone have anything nice to say about Grant?
He did like write me a song.
He sang me a song too.
He wrote me a song and then played it for another girl.
I'm just gonna focus on surviving as best I can out here.
While
Yikes.
he's building the fire by himself, all his exes are gossiping about him.
Oh,
Like he pretends to be perfect. Guys, how many bad stories do we have?
Oh, no.
Even into the night.
It's like mortifying to like even be associated with him.
This is why I'm single. Women are scary.
Oh,
I don't think that's why you're single.
shit.
Jimmy, this is every
Yo, he
man's
getting
worst
cooked.
nightmare.
And it was about to get even worse.
Oh, shit.
So what do you guys want to do today?
Nothing with you.
Damn.
Actually, we haven't even talked. Why are you so mad?
Like I'm not angry because like this didn't work out.
How about get to know me again?
I don't want to.
And I didn't know it, but this would become the most intense revenge story I've ever seen.
I'm out for revenge. There was never a point where it was going to be his money.
Her plan this whole time was to punish me.
He's trying to manipulate me and make himself feel
Oh,
This is your last
shit.
chance, Ashley. I'm not joking.
You were the most disgusting man.
Grant, I love you.
They've lost their minds.
How was the first night,
What
everybody?
the
Having a great
Good.
time.
Yeah.
Good.
It's fun.
To celebrate 24 hours in the woods, I have a secret for each side.
I'm scared.
Come with me, Grant.
Every 5 days, you're gonna have the ability to send one of them home.
Oh.
There's just one left.
What I'm about to tell
Wait,
you,
they don't
he has
know
no
that?
idea. The secret for the 5 of you is whatever exes are left at the end can just choose to steal the money from Grant, sending him home with nothing.
I love this.
This is karma.
On the morning of day 3, Grant got up extra
Oh.
early and immediately got to work building a shelter.
This shit
As you
evil.
can imagine, the girls weren't too pleased.
It's like 6 a.m. Please shut up. Grant, you have a tent. You don't need to build a house. Like, this is so crazy.
Wait, what is he
Girl said
building?
I don't need to build a house because I have a tent. But I say, we're out here for a month. It's about to get cold.
I never saw the appeal
I mean, it is gonna
to
get cold.
camping, and I can honestly say I still don't.
I don't know how long I will last because everyone
Why is he?
here
I think he's just chopping
works
wood
out
for the
for fun,
fire.
and I
don't know
take
what the fuck
naps
he's
for fun.
building.
Jimmy has kind of set this up where I'm having
He definitely
to
shouldn't be
live
building.
in the mess that I've made. Most people don't get to have all their mistakes in one place for 30 days.
Good morning.
Mistakes.
It's
day 5 already.
That means Mr. Beast is coming today.
It is elimination day, and I have to
Yeah, I'm assuming it's
choose
wood for the
who
fire,
I'm
yeah.
sending home.
Come on over.
No, I'm scared. There's hearts. Stop.
Grant, you're on this side, you know, where the hammer is.
Oh, wow.
He's gonna hammer our hearts. He's already done that in real life.
You always got something up your sleeve.
This one's a fun one.
Oh, it's fun.
Every 5 days, Grant is gonna have to send one of you home until just one of you remain.
Well, at least the girls
If
know
that
now.
person and Grant are still here on day 30.
But
you
he
will
doesn't know
split
that they can steal the money.
$250,000 back at camp.
All the ones who go home don't get anything, I assume.
No.
Whew.
Wow.
Went out here for no reason.
That was not expected.
So you could be here for 20 days.
And get nothing. Wow, Grant, you're lucky. You're guaranteed money.
Being rewarded for being a cheater, isn't that nice?
Excellent choice of words.
Interesting choice of
Yo,
words
I hope
before
they
the,
steal from him.
hard smash.
Yeah, I would be a little nicer to him. Maybe say like very handsome or very.
So handsome.
Yeah.
So that was Grant's secret.
He probably
Do you know
already
what
knows
their
who he's
secret is yet?
crushing.
Did any of you tell him?
I don't know what their secret is. You gave me a pretty heavy weight. All these girls want something out of this, and now I have to take it away, and it's not an easy decision to make.
Okay, ladies, the floor is yours.
Yeah, we've made it this far, so I don't think any of us want to give up.
I'm not here to beg to stay. I think we all are here for a reason.
Well, it's been enough time. Whenever you're ready, Grant, pick up that hammer.
He probably already knows who he's got. Whoever hates the most.
5 hearts you're going to break. The Grim Reaper.
Oh my God.
It's mine. It's mine. He's standing in front.
$250,000 is a lot.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Damn.
So Grant, tell us, why did you choose to eliminate Amy?
I was back and forth until you made that statement.
Being rewarded for being a cheater, isn't that nice?
We could talk another time.
Damn. Sheesh.
That was the deciding factor? Because I made a comment? I wish I never came here.
Yikes. Yikes.
Out of all of Grant's exes, he and Ashley had the longest and most
Yikes.
serious relationship.
I was convincing myself this was the person I wanted to marry one day.
Grant and Ashley had their moment where he publicly
This shit is
humiliated her.
brutal.
Plus, Grant still had no idea that the girls could use their secret to steal all the money from him.
So they gotta play
He
it
fully
safe
thinks he was
until they
getting
can
half
steal
of
the
that
money.
I think he forgot about the secret.
So me, Alyssa, Julie, and Ashley just came up with a plan to steal all of Grant's money for ourselves. He fully thinks this is
I thought
a
only
show
one person
about
can steal it.
himself and him building a house. He lacks self-awareness.
Wait, what the fuck? He's actually building a house?
To get her revenge.
The goal is to have me at the end
Wait,
and
what?
to be able to steal the money from him.
And the first part of their plan
Split it
was
or
to
not
make
splitting
Grant
shit?
feel bad for Ashley.
Now is my time to shine as an actress. I like want to pretend like I'm crying right now.
That's a good idea.
Hey, Ashley,
No way this shit works.
can you not talk real quick?
I need a minute.
All right, come out and talk to me when you're ready, okay?
I have eye drops.
There's
Project
no
manipulation
fucking
is the
way,
next
bro.
step.
I know you resent me from everything that I've done.
It's
There's
just like
no
not easy
way.
to know you've moved on.
Thank you for telling me that.
And while the
is
other
so
girls were
stupid,
enjoying
bro.
watching Ashley's performance, something else was going on with Alyssa, who's been pretty quiet up until this point.
This is a lot harder than what it looks like. It is
like
absolutely
this is
freezing
boring.
out here. I haven't showered in days, and I
Oh,
haven't
they
had
can't take a
proper
shower?
meal.
Oh, no.
Grant, do you have time to talk?
I feel like this would be boring as hell.
I came to this challenge thinking that
Don't trust
my
women.
mental
He's the one that
side would get
cheated.
better, but
No YouTube stream?
It's not.
Some doing
I've
reactions.
decided that I'm gonna leave tonight.
Tonight?
It's so cold.
Bro, it's probably cold and it's boring. And it's not guaranteed you get money. Like he could probably end up getting all the money and everything. But yeah, I'm not live on YouTube yet because I'm doing reactions.
And I can't shower.
And after Alyssa left, Grant started putting a little more effort into the girls' experience.
And she actually
Welcome to
left.
Princess Land in the Woods. They're waking up to coffee.
I don't want creamer.
I'm gonna make them breakfast. No.
Grant is saying he's going to give us the princess treatment.
Would you guys be cool if I cleaned all the pots? Maybe I could build something else for us.
You know, it'd be fun, a swing that you actually can swing back and forth. I would love that.
Okay. Let me get creative. I can figure it out.
Thank you.
A swing? What? Okay.
Girls want me to build a swing set, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Just like I had hoped, being out here in the wilderness and working on projects together like this swing set and Grant shelter seemed like it was actually starting to bring
I still don't see the need for the shelter.
Visualize the $250,000
But,
that we're
okay.
going to take from this man.
Or maybe I was just being a little optimistic.
$250,000.
But regardless, it was now day 10, which meant it was time for a check-in. And since Alyssa had left early, I sent our contestants something they weren't expecting.
Hey. Welcome,
What?
everybody. Talk to me about the last
You brought
5
in
days
another
of the
ex?
wilderness.
It's been a lot of work. Built them a swing set, and we lost one. There's only 3 girls now.
Oh.
I'll just give it to this.
Alyssa!
Well, unfortunately for you, Grant, you still have a hard decision to make tonight.
Oh, damn.
You've got to choose only one of these
So
girls
it's gonna go to
join you in a
25
luxury
days?
cabin that comes with a masseuse,
Oh.
shower, hot tub, all the bells and whistles.
Oh.
I'm good.
I'll go without. I think Ashley and Grant have a lot to work out. And it could be good for bonding. Like,
Sure.
At the end of the day, it is your decision.
Ashley, let's do it.
Yay.
Alrighty.
Thank you guys so much.
It seems like you guys had no interest whatsoever in this cabin.
It's playing out exactly how we were wanting it to.
Wow.
Once they got in the
Oh,
cabin,
wow.
it seemed like Grant and Ashley were actually mending their relationship.
This was like a treat. Like, I guess it's gonna feel good to like
W
know that
scheme?
we don't have bad blood anymore.
I
That
mean,
is until
he cheated
this
on her,
happened.
so
Heck yeah.
they playing the fuck out of him. I mean, he could be
Does
playing
anyone
them.
have
He probably
anything nice to
knows.
say about Grant?
He did like write me a song.
But the issue is that if this shit works and she falls in love with him, oh fuck.
It's,
Especially after she cheated on her.
Hearing the song that Grant played for another girl seemed to put Ashley in a
Too bad this
sour
guy's an
mood.
asshole,
And when
yeah.
the cabin day was over, she brought that energy back to camp.
I don't want to.
I wouldn't feel bad if he wasn't an asshole, but
inviting
I
you
mean,
to the cabin
I
was
would
pointless.
feel bad if
Do
he
you care
wasn't
about
an asshole, but he's an asshole.
making
So
actual amends, or are you just like going?
where they find
through
these
the
people? You can
motions?
find these
I was
people
just
anywhere. What do
going
you
through
mean?
the motions, I would have left by now.
You're watching,
It's
Mr. Beast.
pointless.
The girls had noticed Grant and Ashley still weren't getting along. But if Ashley was going to get to the end, they would have to find a way to convince Grant to eliminate one of them next. And so they came up with an idea. If Julie and Abby were mean to Grant, it might just make him want to keep Ashley until the end.
Grant,
Yeah.
I came out here earlier. Super kind to you. Said good morning.
Wait, but like, so the plan is to let that girl get all the way to the end and then split it with the rest of them. But what if she gets all the way to the end, takes the money, and then doesn't split it with the other girls?
You said absolutely nothing to me. Met me with not kindness. Do you realize that how you're gonna look?
Julie, I have nothing to prove to you or anyone else.
You single-handedly destroyed this entire situation.
Oh,
You were
I
set up with
destroyed
it.
success to go to the end and win that money, and you have literally.
Why do they hate this guy? Oh, he's a cheater.
I know. That's
It's
what
my
I'm saying.
decision.
I don't think he cheated on everybody, but he cheated on one of them on live TV.
Who I take with me,
That's fucked.
and
That's
who
what I'm
makes my
saying.
life easiest.
No,
And
you
right
didn't cheat
now,
on all of them, no.
None of you make it easy.
You were the most disgusting man.
Go back in your tent. We don't have to talk. Forget
Oh,
about
their
it.
plan is working. Okay, so she's gonna get eliminated next, which is the plan, and then the next girl. Okay, I think
feel
their
bad
plan's
for your
working.
family.
Oh shit! Damn, that.
I feel bad for your family. That's crazy.
And it may have worked because the next day it seemed like
You
their
the ass with
plan
other
was
four,
back on
or
course.
maybe he cheated on one of them
Tomorrow's
as well. I don't
elimination
fucking know.
day, and I need to pick someone to send home. Julie really has surprised me, especially with what she was saying yesterday. The only reason that I'm not sending Ashley home is because I feel like we've taken yet another step, and I do want to see her succeed.
So for the check-in on day 15, Julie was more than ready to go home. But that would all depend on if their plan had worked. How's it going?
We
Get
missed
ass in
you.
a
I missed
forest.
the four of you. The last 5 days, how have they been?
They told me that I was disgusting.
You were the most disgusting man.
If for some reason they all
TV is
got
crazy.
so tired of me
Like,
that they
shit in
left,
general is crazy,
and I
but
stayed to 30
on live
days, do I still
TV,
get the
holy
money?
It
shit!
has to be you and one of your
You know how
ex-girlfriends
embarrassing
at
it
the
is
end,
for
or
the other
no one
person?
wins
That's
the
fucked.
money.
Okay,
Anything else you think we should talk about?
I think I should just go ahead and do it. Oh. Whoa.
Love that for me. Do wish you the best.
I wish you the best too.
And I hope one day you can look back at all of this and learn and grow.
You know I have to ask. No one's told him the secret yet.
No.
If it ends up being you and him at day 30,
There's not a doubt in my mind I'm stealing that money.
at this
Just
point,
saying.
there was only 2 girls left. So Abby decided to make sure that Grant would bring Ashley until the end.
I would like you and Ashley to be next to each other.
What's happening?
Come on in.
Okay.
Wait, they're
I
being too
obviously
pushy with it.
caused you a lot of pain.
Wait, they're being too pushy with it. I'm pretty sure he probably has an idea what they can do,
So we both have
especially if you've seen Mr. V's videos before.
fault.
What are you trying to get out of this?
We are equally.
But we don't even know how they're gonna be able to steal it, unless it's gonna be like, remember the other challenge in that other video with the boxes? Whoever leaves takes all the money.
Perfect. See?
But they have to stay in the box for like what?
Quote of yours.
On day
10
20,
hours or something,
if you
remember
could
that
tell
one?
me with all seriousness that we are equally imperfect, I'll keep you.
That is just the
300
no deal.
days.
So you think that you're better than the person next to you?
300 is crazy. Hold
Out
on.
of my mouth. I'm sorry.
Well, you have 4 days.
Are you serious?
To take
And
it,
you
but we
think
don't know
that's
the
fair?
way they can take
Absolutely.
it. There's no way they can just take
For us
it.
to make amends, you have to think that.
This whole equally imperfect statement, I'm not sure if it's something that he has used as a coping mechanism in his mind, but I would not say that our mistakes are equal. I'm doing my best to keep my calm with the situation and the plan, but I cannot stand this man by any means.
Damn.
And with her frustration building, Ashley struggled to stick to the plan.
Grant,
What?
Struggle
not
to
playing very nice
stick
here.
to the plan.
Ashley, you're
Oh
basically
no.
saying that you'd rather go home than forgive me.
I haven't decided if 125K is worth my integrity or not yet.
You do you.
All right, Grant, if you admit you're in love with me, I will tell you what you want to hear.
What the
Ashley
fuck?
still hadn't said the words that Grant wanted to hear, so Abby decided to give her a little bit of encouragement.
You're gonna have to say some things you don't want to say.
Oh shit.
I want to stay. I want to like fight through this. I appreciate you pushing me.
And so Ashley made the trek over to Grant's tent in order to make amends.
I am sorry.
Since day one, I have came to you like this, open-hearted, open-minded. I'm asking you.
I have to just sit here and agree with everything he's saying.
Is it selfish or is it good for the both of us?
I think it's really
Yo,
good
if
for
she
both
takes
of
the
us.
money at the end, this would be cinema.
Sprinkle in a few lies.
This would be
here and
cinema,
there.
bro.
If I don't present you.
This should be
then I
fucked
just
up, but it'll
end
be
up
cinema.
Back in a
But
place
hey,
where
he's more
I
fucked
love
up.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I think it was a pretty good conversation.
He really wants to hear me say that we are equally imperfect. Even with my stunning acting skills,
knife?
I just don't know if I can do it.
You have to mean it.
I will. I'm just not ready to say it yet.
I like that.
And Grant seemed to be satisfied for now, because in the next few days, things were looking up.
Good morning, day 19.
Day 19.
19.
The next elimination
Jesus.
is looming, so I've come to the point where I have to be nice and help Grant build his house. Think about how much faster you can
What the
finish your
fuck are we
house
building
if
this
I'm
for?
Here for
I guess
another
'cause
10
we're bored?
days.
That is a good point. We'll see how hard you work today. We're about halfway through
I
the
mean, I
day
guess
now,
if you're
and
bored,
things
I mean,
have
just
been great.
to not
Ashley's
lose your
had a great
fucking
attitude
mind.
all day. I've been in a good mood. Now, you know, I'm really considering
Just being
what's gonna
bored for
happen
30
tomorrow.
days.
All right, the house is framed up. We're gonna go to the swamp, grab some brush, and then we'll close it all up. Just grab a bundle like this, then stand to the side. This is all I needed. I think Ashley is finally understanding that holding that grudge and that resentment against
Nah,
me is
the
doing
tents,
her more
the
harm
tents
than it's
are
helping
rainproof.
her.
Might
Yes,
have misjudged how much I can carry.
the tents are already rainproof. He's just doing this
Despite
for
the day
fun.
going well, the girls were nervous. That
I mean,
Grant
I guess
knew
if you're
their
doing it for
plan.
fun.
I'm just like so paranoid that he
What
knows.
else is there to do?
There's not a thought in that mind other than building his house.
Damn.
And while Grant was focused on finishing his house, there was still one thing he wanted from Ashley.
I still don't know whether she's
I mean,
gonna
if I
come
was
to
in
the
this
conclusion
for 30
that we are
fucking days, I'm just
equally
sitting, I would just be
imperfect
working out.
individuals, and we have never been able to cross this bridge. So if I pick you,
There's
Ashley,
nothing else
what
to
is
do.
the
I
next
just
10
fucking
days
work
look
out.
I'll
I'm not
probably
wasting
wake up
time
every
building a
single
house.
day, super ambitious to give you like foot rubs,
Oh wait, what
And-
the fuck?
No need
like
for
make
that.
you coffee. I would like to think
What the
that
fuck?
Grant will keep me here, but you really never know.
If I pick Abby, I'm sure it'll be smooth sailing. Now, if I pick Ashley, it could be a chance at finally making
Oh
amends.
shit,
The
their plan
decision
might get
tonight
cooked
really matters.
if he picks the wrong person. Unless
Hey,
she's, I
welcome
mean,
back.
she's also in
Did you
on the
miss
plan
me?
I
though.
want to throw up.
But
every
we don't
time
know
I'm
if she'll
here.
Not because of me.
No, never.
Okay, well, before we move on,
Split the
Grant,
money as well.
You have a decision to make today that's slightly different than all your previous ones.
Okay.
You have to decide between smashing one of the two hearts or delay that till day 25, and we do a challenge at $50,000 to the prize pool.
Delay that shit, bro.
I mean, I gotta
Bro.
eliminate one of them anyway. 5 days.
Delay that
It's okay.
shit. Yeah, delay that shit. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
let's do it.
That's
Challenge?
extra money. bro.
Okay, follow me.
Potentially
Every
for
time
him.
I'm so sure I'm leaving, I'm not.
We just like having you out here. All
Yeah, delay that shit.
welcome
Wait,
to
what?
the challenge. Let's hop up.
Wait, but what's the
It's
challenge? How
all
does
right,
the challenge
Chandler.
work? Can
For
someone
the
get eliminated by the
We
challenge?
have a giant airdrop over here.
PUBG
courtesy
Mobile.
of PUBG
What
Mobile.
the-
Inside this airdrop is letters from your family, lots of food, everything you've complained about in your vlogs, and so much more, plus $50,000. And to win it, you just have to work as a team. Each of you will have 3 arrows, and if your team can manage to hit all 3 targets, the PUBG Mobile
that
airdrop
sounds
and
free,
money
no?
are yours. All you have to do is work together to
I mean,
hit those 3 targets.
Yeah, those targets are
We
pretty
can do that.
far.
I'm gonna state the obvious. Ashley, you can't shoot him.
Got it. I say you try to hit
Oh.
the furthest
Yeah,
one.
I think you should go first.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the furthest one first.
Okay. $50,000 on the line.
You kind of cooked. Damn, no one wants to cheer.
Okay, look at that target on fire.
But you kind of cooked though.
What?
Hit the close one.
Okay.
You got it.
Make sure safety's off too.
Can someone help me do that too?
Yeah?
All right, look, we're all working together.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, the safety's on.
Yes, it is.
You can't deny his aim was. Ooh, wait, how accurate are these things? What the fuck? These things have no bullet drop?
You did it.
Oh my God. I don't know.
Do these things have like no bullet drop?
2 for 3.
Wait, what? This
And if you
seems a
guys
little
want to
too
shoot a
easy.
crossbow yourself, make sure you download PUBG Mobile.
Wait,
the
what?
most popular
Wait, this
mobile
challenge
game
is
with
too easy.
multiple
Wait, there's
gameplays
like
in the
no
world.
bullet drop, but this
talk
thing
for a
is hit
second,
scan. This shit hit scan, bro. Yeah, I mean, yeah, crossbows are pretty fast, but and they got a scope on it.
More targets than you. Come on over here, and as a reward,
They had a
we brought
scope
you
on it
guys
too.
a
Yeah,
bunch
if
of
there was no
food,
scope, I could see
supplies.
that.
Is
Yeah,
that
you
a
can
welding
miss.
mask or something?
Yes, that's a welding mask and a frying pan. Weapons used in PUBG Mobile. But
What
the thing I think you'll care about more is letters from home. Here you go.
Oh, nice.
There's a bunch of letters for you guys from your family, from your friends, rooting for you, cheering you on. See you on day 25. Take care. The next check-in on day 25 is going to change
That's gonna be
everything.
brutal.
It's either going to be the best day of Grant's life or the literal worst.
I have a letter from my
250K.
family here. Dear Grant, I wanted to take a moment to write you something from the heart.
Dear Aunt Abby, you aren't just cool aunt, you are also the best friend I ever
W
had.
Aunt Abby.
As your dad, I want you to know how incredibly proud I am of you.
I miss
W
you so
Aunt
much,
Abby.
and don't give up. Love Collins and say hi to Mr. Beast.
It seemed like the serenity of nature was starting to give Grant and Ashley a path to forgiveness. But Grant was still holding to his ultimatum, and Ashley was still unwilling to say that they were equally imperfect.
Ashley, if you're not able to say that, hey, we are both equally imperfect, go home.
No, I don't have to.
Oh.
Abby, I'm gonna send her home on day 25. I have drawn plenty of lines and I've never held to it. If I don't send her home, I'll be breaking a promise to myself, which I've done my whole life.
Oh.
Abby, it's happening.
I wanted her to have the moment at the end. And I feel like I have to tell her because I don't want her to be embarrassed. Grant told me there's nothing you can do. He's gonna crush your heart.
I'm just trying to think if there's any strategy play here.
I mean, y'all can still
'Cause I
split the
could
money.
tell him if he sends me home that I can promise he's going home with nothing.
If I stay the 30
Wait,
days,
what?
do I still get the money?
And it has to be you and one of your ex-girlfriends at the end, or no one wins
Wait,
the
what?
money.
Okay.
Why does it matter if they're still gonna split the money?
Don't think that's good. My worst fear is that he leaves and that could screw us all over. Why don't we spend the day, think about it, and then see.
Wait. What? Why don't, it doesn't really matter who he sends home. If either one of them can take the money at the end. Am I right or wrong? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm so confused.
After everything Grant has put me through,
So low-key, it doesn't matter. So why is she saying this? Unless she's gonna actually just straight up pocket the money.
Difference to you that I
And not
actually
split it with her
do
girl.
need that money. Right. You might regret getting rid of me.
It seemed like she was insinuating that it might be detrimental to my success here if I send her home. If your secret 100% gives you the opportunity to send me with nothing, I'll just leave. I'll go home now. I don't care.
Oh, okay, bet.
I just don't want him to pack up his stuff and leave, which is exactly what I was worried about when I pulled you. And
Oh
said
wait, shit. But if he leaves, then no one gets money, right? Ooh. I think. I'm pretty sure no one gets money if he leaves early.
I told you. My worst fear
Any
is
of the
that
girls can
he
leave, but
leaves
if
and that
he
could
leaves
screw
early,
us
I think
all
nobody
over.
gets any money.
I'm just trying to make it feel like this was worth it to
I
stay this
think.
whole time for me. This is not your game. And
This shit is fucked.
I need him to pick me.
It seemed like Abby was starting to realize that playing this game for Ashley might not be in her best interest.
Yeah.
Day 23, eliminations in 2 days. Ashley is no longer following the plan. Grant is now threatening to leave, and I will do whatever I can to make sure that I get to the end with him. Ashley,
Oh,
day one
shit.
felt like it's her place to, with our secret in the end, hurt you because you embarrassed her on TV. It's not fair to me for my story to be making sure I sabotage, and she goes to the end just to punish you for what you did to her on TV. So I can promise you, I want you to stay. I will not hurt you in the end. You haven't done anything to me, and my story's not gonna be punishing you. So like, I realized at some point she didn't care about me at all,
shit.
and I think that's
The plan is fucked.
that I was just a pawn. So
I'm sorry.
that's where I'm at. It's fine. I don't need an apology. I just.
Yeah, say one of the girls has to stay too.
much
Yeah,
more
but the girl that
disgusting behavior
stays
of
can
her
take the
to
money.
Take it all.
I just need some.
Ashley's fucking over the plan because she's making him leave.
Thank you, Abby. The conversation ends, and I still am not 100% sure whether Abby's gonna keep her word to me. Does Abby have an allegiance to Ashley?
Grant still doesn't know what their secret is, just that it can be used to hurt
This could have
him
been
in the
cinema.
end. So, Grant planned to use
This
one of the
could have
very
been
few things he
cinema.
knew about Abby to his advantage.
I believe in God and I have a relationship with him.
Abby, can I talk to you for a second?
Sure.
You're still on board?
Yes, 100%. Nothing to worry about.
Like, Abby, you like swear on the
Yes,
Bible.
I swear.
I have a Bible.
Yes, I swear.
Bruh.
I swear.
Oh shit, wait, what?
That does make me feel better, actually.
Yeah.
What the?
That was my first act of strategy this entire time, and it worked.
I take my faith
What?
very seriously, and I'm like, either you trust me at this point or send
Bro,
me
put
home,
out a
but
fake
I'm
Bible?
wiping my hands clean.
There's just something in the back of my mind that knows how good Grant is at manipulating.
Bro,
I'm
put out a
thinking
fake
she
Bible?
might have switched teams.
I feel like I've been a team
Nah, it was a
player this
real
whole
one.
time, and Ashley hasn't thought about me at all.
Jimmy's got a ton of tricks up his sleeve, so on that stage tomorrow, anything can happen.
Sheesh.
Day 25. How's it going?
Hi.
You guys are quiet. Not gonna say anything?
Oh shit.
Sick. This is just a lot of nerves.
Grant, buddy. It's been a few days. This is gonna be one of the most brutal moments of your life. How do you even begin to decide?
It's not easy. I didn't come here to hurt anyone, and I've kind of just based it off of how people are showing up in the camp, how they're treating each other, and attitude.
Attitude. Oh boy. Ashley.
It is unfortunate that this was the one chance we had to make amends, and he has repeatedly said he owes me nothing, so it's his opportunity to prove it.
Okay. Abby.
I'm proud of myself. I think my family and God will be proud of me too. So I'm just happy that I made it this far.
I got one thing I want to say. Just
Yeah, making it this far
Take your time.
to get no money would be.
I wrote this up this morning, actually.
Is this another fucking
If
song?
Grant says the wrong thing here,
Oh,
he
I
could
was
potentially
about to
go
say,
home
like,
with
bro.
nothing.
You might regret getting rid of me.
But Grant had a plan to make sure Abby would keep her promise and split the money with him.
I want you to stay. I will not hurt you in the end.
Like, Abby, you like swear on the
Yes,
Bible.
I swear.
Through all my mistakes, I have been an unfaithful servant.
Should
of
go up
God,
to 25. I think
and
the video
feel
should
like at
end
times
here
I hurt more
technically.
people than I felt.
Because
these life lessons have been
what person
solidified
left?
in my heart.
Remember?
Love fiercely because you are loved.
Bruh.
Forgive quickly because you have been forgiven. Give grace because you have been given plenty. God has given us the gift of free will, so we must use it wisely. And anyone that's
why
not
is
giving
it
you peace,
like this?
forgive them and set them free. So with that,
After Grant smashes this next heart, I'm going to reveal the girl's secret, and it's about to change everything.
Should be used to shattering my heart by now.
Ashley, I hope you find God. I hope you find peace.
I hope you find
And I
God is
forgive
crazy.
you, and I finally forgive myself.
I hope you find God after cheating on her on live television is fucked
more
up.
than you owe anyone else.
That's fucked up.
I didn't really come here for the money. This
That's-
was the
that's
one chance we
fucked,
had
bro.
to make amends.
I wanted to see us make amends, but
That's
I have to
fucked,
stick
bro.
to my word.
I don't think he
need him to
smashes
pick
anything.
me.
Oh shit, he does. Yo, that's fucked. What?
Well,
He
think
cheated
it's
on her on
time.
live
Back
television.
on day one,
and now
I
he just
gave both
wasted
sides a secret.
25
the
days of
secret
her
I
life.
told them is whatever girl was last would get to, instead of splitting the prize pool with you, steal the entire prize pool. So, we don't need this anymore. He can't eliminate you. You now have a hammer, and at any point between now and day 30, you can smash his heart, thus stealing the entire $300,000.
Yeah, you better do that shit now, bro. What?
But you don't have to, and then the prize pool will be split with the two of you.
Yo, you better
At
smash
times,
that
I
shit
felt
right
like
now.
I didn't matter to anyone, I'll be honest.
Yo, you better smash that shit right now, bro. You better smash that shit right now, dog.
It feels like you're against me.
This dude is fucked up, bro.
Everything I did say to you has been true. I swore on the Bible.
I really am torn between all the situations because I don't have any ill will towards you, and same for you, Ashley. But it's one thing when someone volunteers to swear on the Bible, and it's another when you impose that on them.
Like Abby, you like a swear on the Bible.
You imposed it. Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh
I felt
shit.
like that was a manipulation tactic, and Ashley wanted her redemption story. Like, she's been through a lot.
You guys are gonna potentially get the last laugh.
This is cinema.
We've made this plan since day 5.
There you go.
You said we don't owe anyone anything.
It's one
and
thing to
put
swear on the
myself
Bible.
first.
It's one thing for
Abby,
someone to
force
impose it
yourself.
on you.
Know that you deserve it and that you've done your part.
And I know that I am forgiven by God, and He knows my heart. The point is, I'm going to put
Look at his
myself
face.
first, and like you said, we don't owe anyone anything. And the last part is for Ashley.
A W. A W.
That's all I have to say.
W.
This experience has been absolutely insane. You know, it's not easy being judged on your past. It's not fun going home right now with nothing, but it is what it is. I played, I lost.
You just won $300,000.
Hey, at least he knows. He played, he
You
lost.
just won a ton of money. How's it feel?
It feels amazing.
Tried to
What do
play
you
a
think you'll
player.
spend the money on?
Animal rescue. And then my niece and nephew. My nephew's your biggest fan, Collins.
Aw.
He's 8 years old.
Collins, thanks for watching the video. If you
Collins.
guys aren't already subscribed, we give random subscribers free iPhones
W.
all the
Collins.
time. Congrats on 300 grand.
Thank you.
Played a player. So did she split it with that girl? I'm pretty sure she does. She tried to play a player. Well, he tried to play a player. That's crazy. She bagged it? I'm pretty sure she splits it. I'm pretty sure she split it. I don't think she did. Man, we'll figure out eventually. Actually, I can check the comments. Let me see if it's in the comments. I'm pretty sure she split it with her.
Take off your blindfolds.
5 manipulators, 1 Minecraft Steve. What the fuck? This is literally just a humiliation ritual for him. Bro was losing from day 1, bro. Damn, 30 days he can't get back. Deserved.